Every single night, my laptop undergoes a strange transformation. It's no longer just a machine for work, but the coziest, warmest bed in the entire house for a very tiny, very sleepy resident. When I first saw him there, I was a bit worried. But then I saw him just a little furball purring so loudly on the warm keys. He'd knead them gently before settling down for his nap, completely unaware of the digital chaos he could be causing. Now, it's our little ritual. I finish up and he claims his heated throne. It's his world, my laptop is just in it.